Hi, it's Anna, and you're watching Crochetclubstore. When it's cold outside, we all want something cozy. You can wear socks, you can wear boring slippers, but I came up with something much cooler, crochet sneaker slippers inspired by a famous brand. They always get smiles and compliments. I made these sneaker slippers for myself and for my husband. They're the perfect touch for a cozy home outfit and keep your feet warm in the cold season. They're not just slippers, they're a real style statement. And I'm not the only one who thinks so. Dozens of my testers and customers have already crocheted these sneakers, and every time they send amazing feedback. This is a project that truly inspires. In my full step-by-step tutorial, I show you the whole process. In the first part, we crochet the sole, the foundation of the whole model. It's sturdy, comfortable, and gives the slippers their shape. In the second part, we move on to the side of the sole, crochet the toe, and form the tongue. This is where the recognizable sneaker look starts to appear. In the third part, we work on the side panels and the heel. I also show how to change yarn colors to add bright accents and make the slippers look as close as possible to real sneakers. And in the fourth part, the most exciting one, we bring everything to life, adding the laces, the logo, and all the final touches that transform the project into real stylish sneaker slippers. I've put all 4 parts of this big tutorial into one playlist. You'll find the link in the description below. With the video, you can crochet slippers in size 26 to 27 centimeters. But in the PDF pattern, you'll find all sizes, perfect if you want to make gifts for the whole family. You'll also find the link to the PDF pattern in the description below. Subscribe to the channel. More cozy projects are coming. And tell me in the comments, would you crochet these sneaker slippers? Or would you go for another design?